Every now and then, our path leads us to make a difficult decision. It leads us to open a new chapter, yet undiscovered, that can be full of spectacular experiences. But how do you know if the decision you are about to make is right or wrong? It is said that we are the total sum of our experiences. They make us who we are today and create colors of our life. And yes, this is what Taiwan has brought to my life. Colors, amazing colors. Green for its nature. Blue for its oceans. Red for its culture and traditions. Yellow. Oh, its breathtaking sunsets. Looking back to this chapter in life called Taiwan, the day I embarked in this adventure, all my senses were amazed. I could discover myself in a new way, experience the unbelievable places Taiwan has to offer, and lose myself and feel the adventure of this amazing place. I created unforgettable moments and experiences with the people that opened their hearts and souls to make me feel welcome. Moments that turn to memories and that will never be forgotten.